are the AI tools you absolutely need for personal and business success? Let's race through the top tools you can't afford to miss. First up, ChatGPT. Handle communication, support, and brainstorming faster by leveraging OpenAI's versatile chatbot for daily tasks. Next, Grammarly. Instantly sharpen your writing, catch errors, and elevate your content with advanced AI-powered editing. For visuals, Canva AI features create stunning graphics, social media posts, and presentations in minutes, even if you're not a designer. Want pro-level video? Try Descript. Edit audio and video by editing text, add subtitles, and polish your work easily. Copy AI accelerates marketing with instant, customized ad copy, blog posts, and more, saving hours each week on content creation. Notion AI upgrades productivity, summarize, draft, and automate notes and documents with smart suggestions and task automations. Otter.ai provides instant meeting transcriptions, letting you focus on the discussion and never miss key points again. Jasper helps you write high-quality marketing materials and blogs, powered by robust templates for diverse content needs. Synthesia brings videos to life. Instantly generate professional AI avatars and voiceovers for training, promos, or social content. Quillbot is your go-to for rewriting and enhancing text, making editing a breeze and improving clarity in seconds. Surfer SEO turbocharges your website's optimization, providing real-time keyword, content structure, and ranking suggestions. Lumen 5 transforms articles and blogs into engaging social media videos, leveraging AI to handle visuals and timing. Pictory extracts short, impactful video highlights from long webinars or streams, perfect for social sharing and recaps. With these 10 AI tools, you're gearing up for efficiency, creativity, and a serious edge in today's digital arena. What are the AI tools you absolutely need for personal and business success? Let's race through the top tools you can't afford to miss.